Join me as I dive into 12 wealth strategies to build assets and see if I can implement them all in just 30 days. Building wealth isn't just about making more money, it's about creating financial independence and security. We all know we should be building assets, but where do we start? What strategies should we use to achieve our financial goals? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. One of the biggest obstacles people face when trying to build wealth is a lack of knowledge. We're not taught in school how to manage our finances or invest in ourselves. We're left to figure it out on our own, which can be overwhelming. Another challenge is the lack of resources. How can we invest in assets when we're barely making ends meet? And then there's the lack of motivation. We get stuck in our daily routines, and building wealth takes a back seat to more pressing concerns. It's easy to get caught up in the status quo and put our financial goals on the back burner. It's hard to stay motivated when we're not seeing immediate results. We want to see our bank accounts grow overnight. But the truth is, building wealth takes time and effort. And let's not forget the fear of taking risks. We're afraid to invest in something that might not work out, so we play it safe and stick with what we know. But playing it safe often means playing it small, and that's not going to get us to our financial goals. So how do we overcome these obstacles and start building wealth? It starts with education and a willingness to take action. We need to be intentional about our financial decisions and start making progress towards our goals. Now let's dive into the 12 wealth strategies that will help you build assets and achieve financial independence. The first strategy is to start investing in yourself. This means taking courses, attending seminars, and reading books that will help you increase your earning potential. The second strategy is to live below your means. This means being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious decisions about how you allocate your resources. The third strategy is to diversify your income streams. This means having multiple sources of income so you're not reliant on just one. Let's take a closer look at strategy number 6, which is to create and sell an online course. This requires identifying your area of expertise and creating a valuable resource that solves a problem for others. You can sell this course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare or on your own website. Strategy number 7 is to start a YouTube channel or podcast focused on your area of expertise. This requires creating consistent, valuable content that resonates with your audience. One of the most impactful strategies I've come across is flipping houses. This requires identifying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy that can provide significant returns. I recently came across a story about a couple who flipped 10 houses in 1 year, making over $100,000 in profit. It's a great example of how these wealth-building strategies can be applied in real life to achieve financial independence. Let's take a look at strategy number 11, which is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. This means investing in companies that have a history of paying out consistent dividends to their shareholders. It's a low-risk strategy that can provide a steady stream of income. To recap, the 12 wealth strategies we've discussed today are investing in yourself, living below your means, diversifying your income streams, creating and selling an online course, starting a YouTube channel or podcast, flipping houses, investing in dividend-paying stocks, creating an affiliate marketing business, starting a drop-shipping store, investing in real estate investment trusts, creating a mobile app, and investing in index funds. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve financial independence and security. Take action on one of these strategies today and start building your assets. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which strategy you found most helpful. And if you want to learn more about building wealth, be sure to check out my next video on creating a budget that actually works.